Hello everyone. Today I will share an excellent trick to fill the blank cells in Excel with a constant value or any formula or with the value available in the above cell. Watch the video till end as it will save you 99% time if you are updating the blank cells manually. In this sheet we have sales data for each region of all the employees. We have created two pivot tables at region level and at employee level. In the second pivot table, it is showing blank values for employee number 3 and employee number 7 because we don't have data in the sales table. Now to fill a constant value, for example 0 in blank cells of column C, select the column C using Control spacebar key, press F5. It will open Go To dialog box. Click on Spatial button. In the Go To Spatial dialog, select Blanks option and click OK. Now the first blank cell is in white color and other blank cells are in gray. The first white cell is active cell. So press 0 in the keyboard and press Control Enter and it will fill 0 in all the blank cells. Now if you refresh the pivot table, it will show 0 for employee 3 and employee 7. Similarly, if you see the region pivot table, it is showing blank region because region is not updated for cells in column A. Now to fill the blank cells with the value available in above cell, select cell A2 and press Ctrl spacebar to select all the cells in column A. Press F5 in Go To dialog box, select Spatial button. In Go To Spatial dialog box, select blanks, click OK button. Again, the first blank cell is in white color. Type equals to sign and select cell A2 in which data is available. Press Ctrl Enter and all the blank cells will be filled by value in the above cell. Now if you refresh pivot table, the blank region will be removed. Now suppose we get the sales data for employee 3 and employee 7 and you want to copy this data in the main table. Now we don't need any change in the existing data. So to use the required formula in blank cells only, select column C using Control and spacebar key. Press F5 in Go To dialog box. Click on Spatial button. In Go To Spatial dialog box, select Blanks option. Click OK. Now it will select all the blank cells. Now we will use index match formula. Type equals to use index match formula to retrieve the data from missing sales sheet in the blank cells. To learn index match formula, you can watch the video shown. The link is given in the description section of the video. And press Ctrl and Enter key. The required values will be populated in all the blank cells. Refresh the pivot table and the employee and region pivot table will be updated. In this way, you can quickly fill blank cells using Go To Spatial dialog box. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.